Eligibility for low-income grants in 2024 typically depends on your income relative to the federal poverty guidelines. These guidelines vary based on your household size and location, with separate guidelines for Alaska, Hawaii, and the contiguous United States. For example, the 2024 poverty guidelines for the 48 contiguous states and D.C. start at $14,580 for a single individual and increase by $6,730 for each additional person in the household. In Alaska, the starting figure is higher, at $18,810 for a single individual, and in Hawaii, it's $17,310 for a single individual. Many federal and state programs use these poverty guidelines to determine eligibility for assistance. Programs that often use these guidelines include HUD programs. The Department of Housing and Urban Development offers various grant opportunities, such as the Community Development Block Grant Program, Housing Opportunities for Persons with AIDS, and the Fair Housing Initiatives Program. These grants support various housing-related initiatives, including community development, fair housing, and energy-efficient retrofitting. Low-Income Taxpayer Clinic, LITEC, grants the Internal Revenue Service provides grants to qualified organizations to help low-income individuals who have a tax dispute with the IRS and to provide education and outreach services to individuals who speak English as a second language. Federal Pell Grant Program. This program provides need-based grants to low-income undergraduate students to promote access to post-secondary education. The maximum federal Pell Grant award for the 2022-23 award year was $6,895, and the amount awarded depends on financial need, costs to attend school, and student status, full-time or part-time. Medicaid eligibility. The federal poverty guidelines are also relevant for determining Medicaid eligibility, which varies by state. To determine your eligibility for any specific low-income grant, you would need to consult the specific requirements of the program in question. This often involves looking at your household income relative to the federal poverty guidelines for your state and household size.